In a shining celebration of female excellence in the music industry, Joss Cullen of SB19 made a notable appearance at the Billboard Women in Music event. The event, which recognizes the incredible contributions of women in the music business, was a star-studded affair that brought together industry leaders, artists, and influencers. Cullen was tasked with the honor of presenting the coveted Executive of the Year award, which this year was awarded to Rosalyn Pineda. The dynamic executive at Sony Music, Pineda has been instrumental in shaping the careers of countless artists and has championed diversity and inclusion in the industry.